What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today we are doing an all drugstore makeup look. This is what I came up with right here. Covergirl is one of those brands that does not get talked about enough. They have such a good shade range. They recently came out with a full spectrum collection catering to people of color. That's amazing. You're doing amazing, sweetie. So I thought that was such a beautiful collection. But yeah, like I said, this whole video, this whole look right here is all Covergirl products, very affordable products. And yeah, I don't want to drag this intro out too much, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get right into the video. So as you can tell in the title, today we're doing a full face of Covergirl products. This video is definitely not sponsored by Covergirl. I did receive a lot of the product in PR, but that doesn't mean that I'm gonna like lie about the products and be like, yeah, go buy this. If it doesn't work for me, then it just doesn't work for me, but that does not mean that it will not work for you. So I am just laying out all the products that I will be using today. I did already do my eyebrows off of camera just because that's the one thing that I don't have from Covergirl. I did, but I finished it because it was so bomb. So they had sent over some of their eyebrow pencils and they were so freaking good. I bought that pencil like 4 or 5 times after I had received it because it was so good. I'm gonna insert a little picture of the product somewhere here in the screen. So today I'm going to be using these two palettes right here. These are the full spectrum eyeshadow palettes. So I'm going to start off with this one right here. It's a brown with some like red undertones, really warm undertones in there. And I'm going to start packing this into the crease. That is actually super pigmented. I'm kind of blown away right now. So I'm just packing the color on right now. And then afterwards, I will go back in with a fluffy brush and just like buff out those edges. So now I'm taking this little brush right here. This is from Time Los Angeles. It's a really good blending brush. I love how tiny it is because it allows me to get into the little areas that I need to get without blending out too much. And I'm just gonna start by doing little circular motions. Ooh, so yeah, just really take your time with this. You want it to look nice and blended out from the edges. If you guys hear any weird like dinosaur sounding noises, that's my children in the background. They're out there with their daddy, they're playing. So hopefully that's picking up on camera. That blended out really nicely actually. I really wanted to go in with that blue from the palette, but I feel like I always go in with blues. And I want to try something different, so I'm not really sure what color I'm going to take, but just know I'm really holding back because that blue is stunning. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease for this. I'm just going to use what I usually use. I really need to get contacts because my left eye is like way blinder than my right eye. Like, okay, my vision overall is just not the greatest. My left eye is the one that I struggle with more. It's kind of hard when I'm cutting my crease and I close my eye because like everything just becomes twice as blurry. Okay, it's a struggle being blind. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into this palette. I don't know which color I want. They all look really pretty. That blue is like butter, literally like butter. Those are really pretty, really pigmented as well. So I'm gonna go in with the green eyeshadow because I never really do green. So I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm gonna start applying it on the eye. So now that green is on there, I'm gonna go ahead and take this cream color right here. You know what, now that I'm thinking about it, these eyeshadows would have probably popped a lot more if I would have added on like a pigment like adhesive, because in the swatches they look freaking bomb, but when I applied it, it's not like popping as much as I would like it. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and just test it out on this eye and see if applying a primer would actually help. So I'm back, and as you can tell, this side of my eyeshadow did come out a little bit more like vibrant, has a little bit more of a pop to it. Okay, so next I'm just gonna go ahead and take some black eyeliner. This one is called, I don't know what it's called, it just says Covergirl on it, but it's a liquid liner. Packaging wise looks like this. I actually really like this eyeliner. I use it very often. I don't know if I should do a wing because I don't really do wings. I don't know if I should do a wing. Should I go for a wing? Let's go for a wing. This is why I don't do them. I honestly never, oh my gosh, I fucked up. I messed up. Okay, hold on. So I'm just taking some mascara. This is what it looks like. I've actually been reaching for this mascara on the daily. It's actually really, really good. I love the wand on it. This is what the wand looks like. It's actually really, really nice. At this point, I would be curling my lashes, but baby Ezekiel literally grabbed my eyelash curler and he took the little rubber part out of the curler, you know, so I can't really use it. But I'm going to be moving on to falsies. So today I'm going to be taking these lashes right here. These are from Dodo Lashes. I really hope that this focuses because these lashes are bomb. Okay, so now moving on from the eyes, we are working on our complexion. For primers, I have here the illuminating one, the color neutralizing one. Then I have a matte ambition mattifying skin primer. And this one does have SPF 20 in it. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of this one and see. Oh wow, it's like a lotion. It's like a lotion texture. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some right here. Oh wow, so it does mattify. Like kind of quick. It feels pretty good. It doesn't feel, there's some mattifying primers that just really dry out your skin and then they kind of get crumbly. So you know what, I'm going to test out the color neutralizing one. I'm going to test it out on this side. See if it makes a difference or like an obvious difference. This primer is like really lightly scented. It kind of has like a really like fresh scent. You know what it reminds me of? It kind of reminds me of the L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation. Like very light, flowery scent, but mainly fresh. So I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Tru Blend Matte Made Foundation. I am taking the shade M10 Golden Natural. Hopefully this matches me. If not, I have two other shades right here that I can possibly mix. I'm going to be just dotting it on my skin. It looks a little yellowy. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So now I'm just taking a brush and blending this out. I really want to try out the Wet n Wild stick foundation. I saw it the other day at the store. I was trying to find my shade and I felt like they all looked the same. But I'm sure like once you swatch it, you know, it'll look different. I obviously don't want to swatch drugstore makeup because I know the struggle. Like when you go to find something and then you finally find it in your shade and it's already been opened, you're just like... So I'm taking another layer. I just want to see how it layers. So when I first applied the foundation, it did look like way too light for me, but it oxidized and it blends in pretty well with my skin. For concealer, I have these two Vitalist Healthy Concealer. One of these looks a little bit pinky. This one looks a little pinky, so I'm going to go in with this one. But it's like one of those that you twist. Okay, there, finally. So, yeah, I have a feeling that this is going to be like a very light coverage. I feel like I would go through this concealer pretty quickly. Like, it looks like I've used up a lot of it and I literally just... It's my first time using it. It is a pretty light coverage concealer. I'm not sure if they have like a heavier concealer. They haven't came out with any recently. That'd be really nice, you know, to get a heavy duty concealer. I feel like this concealer would be really, really nice like in the summer or like for those days where you just don't really want heavy makeup, you know, you want something light. But I have this Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Powder right here. I think I'm going to take this and set my under eye with it. So next I'm taking the Full Spectrum Matte Ambition All Day Powder Foundation. I'm going to be using this as a bronzer, and this is in the shade Medium Tan Neutral. This is like a really warm bronzer, I guess. I'm just going to call it a bronzer. This looks really warm on the skin, but I actually like how it looks. Now I'm going to highlight with this Sculpt Expert Versatile Cheek Palette, you guys. When I tell you I've been using these highlighters non-stop, especially this one, I've been using it non-stop. Like, I mean it. I cannot put this highlighter down. This is such a good highlighter. If you're going to get anything, like anything from this video, go ahead and purchase this. Do you guys see that? It makes your skin literally look wet. It applies really smooth onto the skin and it just gives you like the prettiest glow. Like 10 out of 10 recommend. Definitely pick it up. It's bomb, you guys. If you guys pick it up, go ahead and tag me. Let me see you wearing it because it's so fucking good. For blush, I'm taking the blush in this palette. That's really pretty. Oh, that's cute. I'm gonna take a little bit on my nose as well. It's pretty cute. I do not have a Covergirl lip liner to use today, but I'm going to be using my everyday lip liner, which is also drugstore price. This is the NYX Nude Truffle lip liner, and yes, I do overline my lips quite a bit. It's just what I like to do. Okay, if you don't like it, that's fine. You don't have to, but I can't afford lip injections at the moment, so this will have to do, okay? This is their liquid lipstick in the color Cakewalk. I am almost out of this because I use this so much. Okay, so I'm quickly going to go ahead and just finish up the lower lash line and I will be right back. I blended out that same brown eyeshadow that I took in the crease. So now I'm adding this eyeliner in my waterline. This is the Defining Moment eyeliner. This one is in the color Electric Green. So I'm just adding this to my waterline and to the inner corner a little bit. Okay, come through lime green. And I'm going to go ahead and prime the lower lash line with the CoverGirl Lash Blast Amplify Lash Primer. It looks like this. Okay, so now that that has dried down, I'm just going to go in with their mascara once again. Ooh, so this is the eyes up close and personal. So yeah, this is the completed look right here. Oh, you know what, bitch? I almost forgot my setting spray. So I'm going to set everything in place with the CoverGirl Outlast Active Cooling Setting Mist. It looks like this. I love the way that this smells. It's like really cucumber-ish. It has a very like strong cucumber scent. If you're sensitive to scents and stuff like that, I would probably say to stay away from this because it is quite strong. This is the completed look. I think it's super cute. I really like it. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Is there a product that you're gonna go pick up at the store after watching this video? Is there something that like really like grabbed your attention? Let me know what product you want to try out yourself. So my favorite products that I used today were the highlighting palette, of course. Like I said, this is bomb as fuck. And I like the foundation. Oh, and the mascara. Like the mascara is amazing. It really gives a lot of volume to my lashes, which I freaking love because my lashes they're non-existent. But yeah, that is going to be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button on my video. It helps me out so much, you guys. I appreciate you watching and I will see you guys in my next video. I don't know what you've been told.